So we're going to create a sports team roster. I don't know, Carol, what kind of sport it is. Be creative, do whatever you want to do. We're going to store the team roster. So I have no idea what these guys are from. Is this like
I assume
European football, maybe?
Could be like soccer or hockey.
Yeah, something like that. Well, it doesn't matter. We're gonna have the name of the player and we're gonna have their position, right?
I'm assuming soccer, but
Yeah, well, it doesn't matter. I just was making this up. So we want to display it in a clear format. Well, we know that's that for loop we just looked at. We know how to add a player. We did not go through how to update a dictionary, did we? No, we really didn't go through that. How do we update a dictionary? We added, iterating through, clearing, removing. Oh, there it is. There's updating an existing value. It's the same as adding a new key value pair. It's just you're using a key that's already in there. So that's not so hard. Now you know how to do that. Remove a player. Well, there's somewhere up there, there's a thing about removing. Are they on the team or not? If you go further up, there's something about how they're on the team or not. And an example run. Well, it prints out my dictionary. This is all hard-coded, but we're going to add Mike. We're going to update Alex. We're going to remove Emma because she's like on the wrong team. And John is now on the team. And there we are. Oh, we're checking to see if John is on the team. So that's a little bit of practice on dictionaries. And this could be the beginning of a think aloud project too, if you like doing sportsy things.